Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this beautiful crochet flower. This is a very easy flower and beginner friendly. So I am using a 5mm crochet hook for my project. First of all, wrap the yarn around the fingers and make a magic ring with the help of crochet hook. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. After that, make a double crochet into the ring. This is double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6, double crochet 7, double crochet 8, double crochet 9, double crochet 10 and double crochet 11. So I have made 11 double crochets including 3 chains. I have 12 double crochets in the round. Now make a slip stitch and change the color also. So make a slip stitch into the third chain with the change color. Now pull this white yarn now take these 2 yarn ends inside the work so that we don't have to weave these yarn ends separately. Make chain 1 and we would work in between double crochet stitches. So make a single crochet in between the double crochet stitch, make another single crochet into the same place and now work into the next space between next 2 double crochet stitches. So make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into the same space. Now work into the next in between double crochet stitches space, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. So in this way we would work in between 2 double crochet stitches and we would make 2 single crochets in each of the stitch across till the end of the round. Now cut this white yarn end and complete the round. So I have completed the round. So this is our last space which is between 3 chain and the last double crochet stitch. Make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into this space. Now we would make a slip stitch into this single crochet and now we would change the color again. So make a slip stitch with this color and now again we would take these 2 yarn ends inside our work, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and then into the same space where we had made a slip stitch, in that single crochet make a double crochet, make a double crochet into the next single crochet stitch, and then make a double crochet into the next single crochet stitch. This is the third double crochet, and again make a double crochet into the next single crochet stitch. So these are total of 4 double crochets. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the same single crochet stitch where we have made our last double crochet stitch of the petal. So the first petal is ready. Now we will start our second petal. Make a slip stitch into the next single crochet stitch, and after that make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, and after that into the same single crochet stitch where we have made slip stitch, make a double crochet into the next, make a double crochet, and into the next one again make a double crochet and make the last double crochet in the next stitch. We would make total of 4 double crochet stitches for one petal. Then make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the same single crochet stitch where we have made our last double crochet. Now cut this yarn end with the help of cutter. We don't have to weave these yarn ends separately. Now make a slip stitch into the next single crochet stitch and make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3 and make a double crochet into the same space, and after that make double crochet 3 times in the next 3 stitches, and after that make 3 chains and make a slip stitch into the same last double crochet stitch of the petal, and 3 petals are ready. Make 3 more like this. I have completed my petals. Make 3 chains and after 3 chains make a slip stitch into the same stitch where we have made our last double crochet. Now cut this extra yarn end with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle. I have woven the yarn ends. This is very easy and beginner friendly flower. I hope you will love this flower. You can use it on baby hats, on baby frocks and purses also. I hope you will love this collection and this flower. Thank you for watching.